Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover your old Heyday account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. After installing a Heyday, you'll need to play through the tutorial again before you can access any login options. Once you are through the tutorial, you'll see the main game screen with various icons on the main screen. Tap on the social icon at the bottom right of your screen. In the Friends section, you will see an option to log in using your Supercell ID. Tap on Connect Supercell ID to proceed. If your device has an existing Supercell ID, especially if you've played other Supercell games like Clash of Clans or Brawl Stars, you might see an option to log in with your connected Supercell ID in this case. Confirm that you want to log in with the ID associated with your old account, if the game logs you into the wrong account. Or if you need to switch to a different farm that's tied to another Supercell ID, you can manually switch accounts. To do this, tap the Settings icon on the left side of your screen and select Settings. Next, tap on Connected under the Supercell ID section. This will open your Supercell ID settings. Tap on the gear icon at the top, and then scroll down to find the Switch Account option. This will allow you to switch to another farm if it's saved. Using a different Supercell ID, you'll be prompted to enter the credentials for the other accounts, allowing you to recover the old farm. If you need to log out of your current Supercell ID to switch accounts, tap Logout in the Supercell ID settings. Once you log out, the game will give you the option to play on a local account or log in with a different Supercell ID. This is useful if you want to play with another farm saved under a different account. So that's basically how you can recover your old Heyday account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.